Okay, I'm gonna make an update video. I've been watching this particular stock. It's got low volume, and you guys know stocks that have lower volume, they can pick up massive. So I'm gonna, talk about it again. Today is looking even more attractive. The company I want to talk about is VLCN. You can see right up here on my chart, the ticker right here, VLCN Volcon Inc. I got in at 1.14, got you guys in early. You can look at the swing trade alerts. I said I'm buying VLCN here for a big pump, the low volume, and we'll get this to go once it gets attention. It has 7 days away from the EMA 5, and to get this, a K value under 2 is too good not to play. My bad, I filled at 1.13. So, right all in here is still a good price. It's sitting at 1.15. It's still really good. This is what I think this can do. I mean, look at this. Obviously we have a gap, so it's going to take some more time than usual not hitting the EMA 5. I kind of expect that. We went all the way up to $10. This thing has been known to pump. I played this stock many times, and it has made outrageous moves, all right? But as you can see right in here, we're sitting at, 400,000 volume, 700,000. This day you got a million volume. So we're a little under a million volume here. We're catching a little more buy sides. This is what I really like about this. If you look at these candles down below here, we're starting to see some green candles on the volume side instead of just a massive lot of red. So I'm really looking at this 1.49 on the K. I can't get over that. It's extremely low. And you can see this KDJ right here as price, right here was 11. That's why we never buy the first drop. We got to give it EMA 5 time distance because a lot of times it just keeps going down. And this is how you avoid catching a falling knife. Now we see consolidation. We see an interest in this company. We see, well, right in here, we're kind of consolidating now. We're not just going down and down and down and down. So I like this because I saw this doji looking candle. No doubt about it. I see this doji looking candle, and now I see like a long lower wick. Buyers are in control. If this gets over 2 million volume, 5 million volume, 10 million volume, you're off to the races. I can easily see this hit EMA 10 in a blink of a second. And that has a 56% return. EMA 20 is looking at 100% return. I'm not counting on that. You guys that have been following my channels, I always tell you take the 10% returns because I don't know what's going to happen, right? Once this starts to get FOMO, once a lot of people start to chase, yeah, it can go up a lot. But the problem is once people start dumping in, and then it goes down a lot. So, I get this, all the time. But like, man, I wish I took the gains. I wish I took the gains. And that's why I say conservative, 10%, you can't go wrong. That's a nice gain. To this, EMA 5 is your short-term target. From here to the EMA 5, you're looking at a 20% return. That's if it hits it right away. But remember, EMA 5 goes down every day, just like every EMA. So they go down every day. So we want to make sure we position ourselves into a nice entry here, and I'm going to accumulate. I put a lot into this one. I think this is really good. If it goes down again, if it goes down tomorrow, I'll just put more into it. I'm just letting you guys straight up know. I put 3 to 4 accumulations of these. Because these are bottom trend reverses. I never just put all my size on one thing and say, "Hey, I'm getting at 115." If it goes lower, I'm screwed. No, I'm not going to set myself up for this. This is a downtrending stock. We can clearly see that the EMAs are above. When prices below EMAs, you're trying to catch a bottom, and you're fighting against the trend. And I know that. I made really good money on that. But you got to understand, these can make outrageous moves too. You get one of the biggest knee-jerk reaction moves on these kind of stocks. VLCN, I can't hype it up enough. I like it. I really do like this company. I like what they're doing. They announced the pricing of 12 million underwritten public offering. They will be able to fund operations into 2026. So they got that offering out of the way. And then it's really good. So they should have their funds. Usually what happens is they do an offering, and this is what tanks it from. We went from $10. I mean, look at this, $10 all the way back to $1. I think we're overdue. The KDJ is letting me know we're extremely low. The EMA 5 TD is letting me know we're extremely low. We haven't touched this EMA 5 in quite some time. And worst case scenario, if it just becomes so boring where the EMA 5 just keeps going down and down, then I'll just break even on it and I'll play another stock. But a lot of these stocks that I play like this, I have made outrageous moves, big gains. They come up pre-market after hours where they make these big bumps, or the minute they get a volume, it gets awesome, guys. So do not sleep on this stock. We're definitely consolidating for a big move, guys. You see this consolidation, 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 and then any minute we're gonna break out these two channels here. So I'm happy for it. I think this is good. It fits the system. Yeah, we're not at this lower band here, but we're not going to be, because usually when you have a big pump up, the bands contract to opposite directions. So this lower Keltner channel is trying to come up to it. So this is strictly EMA5 play. Get in with a low K value, which is what I was loving to look for. I got in at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th daily candle, not touching the EMA5. It is considered long. And so, it's kind of like my magic number. A lot of the times on the 8th, 9th, or 10th, we touch it. And so I can keep accumulating, or, it goes up and hits the price targets instantly. So I don't want to miss out on this. I see a lot of good signals like the doji candle, low K value, volume, buy volume coming in instead of red volume, and then a lot of time distance from the EMA5. It's worth a shot. Low volume stock that can get millions and millions of volume. Expect a big move up. I'm big in this one, guys. I have faith in Volcon, okay? I have faith in this. Let's see what we do here. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and get these updates before the YouTube announces it, definitely join the Discord. You're going to love it. I'm going to give you guys an affordable price. You're not going to pay a lot. It's really good. Just the education alone, is learning how to trade these things and spotting them. You're going to, get so much value out of that. Because I put a lot of time into this education. I'm always looking to revamp things, and every year I add new things. And this is just one of the techniques on how I trade just an EMA5 downtrend stock using these indicators to make massive money. All right. And it works. It really does work. There's a lot of science into this stuff, but we just need to know why it works, and how to approach it. But I have lots of videos to get you set up. If you click the link down below in YouTube comments below, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is click day trade alerts right here. Over here on the left side, and you'll get access to everything. Swing trades and day trades. My day trades is my most favorite strategy. I'm going to keep pounding the table on that. I want everyone to try it. I know it gets, it might be a little confusing on how to sell credit spreads. I would love to teach you guys. I've been doing one-on-one coaching with people. I have a recording of many of the questions that I get asked. But it's a really good strategy. I haven't lost in February at all in my day trades, and I lost 2 times in January. It is amazing. I'm making money every day, no matter what the market, bear or bull. I make money. VLCN, we only make money in one direction, but I think this is going to go big. All right, I think we're going to get a big move up. So don't be, I'm going to play both sides of the coins. I like swing trading and day trading. So definitely join both services. You'll get access to everything. For this promotional video, you get everything for $12 a month. You can't be beat it. It's amazing. It's amazing community, amazing discount. And if you get in now, it will never go up in price. You'll be locked in for a lifetime discount. I am planning on upgrading this price way higher because we're getting a lot more people in. A lot of people are, saying they like it a lot. And I want some serious traders here. But I also want people to be like, hey, I just want to dip my toes in. I want to know if this strategy is for me. And I totally understand that. We go to a new gym or go to, we try a movie out or a game. We want to make sure we like it. And so that's what I'm here for. I'll give you guys a permanent discount. If you like it, you can stay. If not, I totally understand it. But I promise you're going to learn a lot in this Discord. If you read how to subscribe, I'll tell you how to do it. If you have an Android, you will have to do it on your computer or use your phone's browser and not through the App Store. Once you do that, you can subscribe. It's going to say you can't subscribe on an Android. I recommend just do it on your computer. It avoids all that, and you also avoid the iOS feed. If you're from a different country instead of the United States, they might do a currency exchange rate, so it might be like $15 or $16, but still, I can assure you, you're getting a really good deal, and you're going to make a lot of money here. VLNC, we're approaching $1.17. Do we come out of this consolidation? You guys will stay tuned. I think we get over 1 million volume, 2, 3, 5 million, and we pump up, pretty big from here, guys. If you guys like the video, give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Happy trading.